Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're anything like me, then you probably enjoy watching videos called What's in My Bag. And so I thought, why not show you today what is in my bag? So this is a really pretty dark blue Tommy Hilfiger bag. It is very heavy, very full with a lot of stuff that half of which probably don't even need to be in here. So this is what it looks like from the top. It's got this really cool little flappy bit, which keeps everything nice and organized. It has a middle pouch and then two side pockets and two side kind of slider compartments to keep you nice and organized. I just recently put all my stuff in here, so it is still pretty much nice and organized. So we'll do my phone first. So my phone is the Samsung J3 Emerge. It looks like this, has just a clear cover just to keep it protected. I really like this cover. It's really nice and chic. I got it off Amazon. And then my actual screensaver looks like this. Really cute picture of a girl holding a lantern. I think I've had this picture as my screensaver for most of December, so I think it's time for a new screensaver soon. Okay, next I've got just some random bits and pieces roaming about. So I've got this cheat sheet of hashtags to use for when I do my Instagram posts, because I'm not very good with knowing what all the popular hashtags are. I've got some moisturizer. This is Bath & Body Works Love and Sunshine, and I know this is a body cream, but I've just been using it on the go as a hand cream because it is so nice and moisturizing. Plus, it smells really, really good. Next, we've got my wallet. Very simple, but again, very chic. I love the little tassel handle. It's got some nice gold zipper detailing, and I got this from Chapters or Indigo Books in Canada. So it's basically the Canadian Barnes & Noble, and looks like this on the inside. I'll just show you a few bits and pieces out of here that I really love. I've been carrying these stamps around with me pretty much since Halloween just because they are so flipping cute. I've got my library card is really cool. So this is apparently some artwork that got submitted in an art contest to our local library, and this was one of the pictures that won, and I think it is absolutely so cute, especially the little cartoon mice. Adorable. So really love that. I think the other design was like killer whales or something, but I really like that one. The other favorite thing I have in here is this Finding Dory gift card. Now, I got this from Cineplex Movie Theater, which is the movie theater in Canada, and they always have special gift cards that come out when special movies come out, and I asked them when I saw this if I could have it because Dory is one of my favorite Disney characters, and they said I could. So I have kept this in my wallet ever since because it is so cute. Next, I've got my movie card, Cineplex movie card. I've got Shoppers Drug Mart. Again, that's a drugstore that we have in Canada. It's basically like Walgreens. Then we've got Chapters Indigo bookstore card, and Save On More rewards card, which you use when you go shopping at Save On Foods, which is basically like Walmart in Canada. So we do have Walmart in Canada, but Superstore and Save On Foods are way more popular for people to shop at because our Walmart at home is not 24/7 like it is here, and our food section is not as advanced as American Walmart. So there you go. Let's see how much change I've got in here. Ooh, 20 cents. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Next, I've got my beautiful, gorgeous planner that I got from TJ Maxx a couple of weeks ago, and I am in love with this. It honestly helps me so much to stay organized. Inside flap looks like this, has a little holder for some bits and pieces that you might need to store in there throughout the year. It's got calendar, both for 2018 and then on the other side for 2019. It's got flaps, and I really like how at the beginning of the month it shows you all the days, and there's lots of space to write for every single day, which I absolutely love, so I can keep track of all of my goals. And the most interesting thing that I don't think I've ever seen in a planner before is that it actually has graph paper, which is super cool. So you can keep track of your financial planning and everything like that. And this was only $10 at TJ Maxx. So yay! We've got the book that I am currently finishing reading, which is The Light Between Oceans by Emma Stadman. I mentioned this in my favorites video. I'm about halfway through this now, and it is really, really good. So if you're looking for a good book, I highly recommend this one. I went to Walmart recently, so I've got Walmart receipt and my shopping list. And then I've got my my nasal spray for my allergies. I am allergic to, let's see, 7 different things. I'm allergic to cats, dogs, horses, dust, dust mites, and mold, and I'm lactose intolerant. I think that's everything. So I usually only need to use this. Technically, I should use this once a day, but usually I use this maybe once a week if I start to feel like my allergies are kind of starting to come back and I'm starting to get kind of stuffy again. Also, definitely have to use this when I go home to Canada because my family does have a cat and a dog. So yes, this is sometimes a lifesaver. Next, we'll do my fun little makeup pouch, which is an Ipsy makeup pouch from a couple of months ago. Inside of it looks like this, and it is pretty much full of nothing but lip products. So we've got my favorite lip balm, which is the Aero Boost. This is the one that changes color when it hits contact with your lips. And then we've got one of my favorite ones, which is the Nivea Pure and Natural Chamomile and Calendula. I don't see this in stores very often. I don't know if it's been discontinued since I've bought this, but I haven't seen this particular one in a long time. So I hope they haven't because I really, really like it. Then we've got my favorite one, which is the Too Faced lipstick in Melted Fig. Another lip balm by Jane Iredale. This is the shade called Bisque, or no, I'm sorry, I'm lying. This is called Buff. So it's a tinted lip balm, super subtle tint to it, but that's what that looks like. This lip balm is awesome. It is lemon scented and it's avocado oil infused, and it even has SPF 15 in it, so it's really, really nice. It hydrates and protects your lips from the sun. And then last but not least, another Jane Iredale lip product, and this is a lip plumper, and this is in the shade Montreal, and it's basically like a see-through kind of a burgundy shade. Ooh, let's do my keychain, which is full of a million things. Okay, which one should we do first? Okay, we'll do this one. So this is my Tinkerbell keychain that I got from my mom and my dad, and it has my name embroidered onto it, and it is super cute. This is, by the way how my name is spelled in Hungarian. My little Bart keychain because he's absolutely adorable. I got him in one of those mystery bags, you know, where you didn't know what character you were getting until you opened it. And I'm so glad that I got him. I was rooting for him or Homer. Washington keychain that I got in my stocking at my mother-in-law's house last year. So I really, really love that. And a little mirror with a magnified side and a regular side. And then I've got 2 keychains from the 2010 Olympics that took place in Vancouver. This little one and this one with all the Olympic mascots on it. And I believe I got those from my mom as well. Okay, the next thing is this Barbra Streisand album. Now, the reason why this is in here is to remind me to put the CD that's in the car back into the case. And the reason why I have this album is because my mom got me this back when I was 9 years old. Originally, she got this for me as a cassette. And a few years ago when I saw this at a store, I knew I had to have it as a CD so that I could listen to it again because I hadn't heard it in a very long time. Next, we have some gum. And my choice of gum is Orbit. This is the winter mint gum, and it is my favorite flavor as well as the sweet mint. And we've got a pen. We've got another pen. I use these for when I go shopping at Walmart so I can cross off my list or cross off items from my list. Then I've got a thumb drive that is a Wizard of Oz thumb drive. And opens like this. And when you plug it into a computer, her legs turn red. How cool is that? I'm a Wizard of Oz fan, if you couldn't tell by me having a Wizard of Oz thumb drive. And we've got some extra strength Tylenol. We've got empty gum wrapper, nice. We've got Band-Aid because I am the clumsiest person ever and chances of me giving myself a paper cut are very high at all times. And then we've got a little mini version of my favorite perfume, which is Sexual Fresh by Michael Germain. I've got this rosary in here that my grandmother gave me and asked me to keep either in the car or in my purse to keep me safe. So I have basically kept this in my purse ever since. I think she gave me this when I started to drive. I didn't start driving until I was 28 years old, so I was really late jumping on that bandwagon because driving really scared me. I had a lot of anxiety about driving. I was just really, really scared to get out there on the road and to actually, you know, start driving myself around and to start driving other people around. It just really, really scared me, but I'm glad that I did finally manage to conquer my fear about that because I actually really enjoy driving and I think I'm pretty good at it. So, yeah. And last but not least, probably the weirdest thing that's in my purse is this stone that says courage on it. And my sister put this in my purse, I think, as a joke, maybe like last year or 2 years ago. And I have basically just kept it in my purse ever since. And I don't know. Every time I go to clean out my purse and I want to remove this, I'm like, no. I want to keep it in my purse. I don't know. I think it just gives a really kind of a positive message. And I know that it was meant to be a joke, but I really enjoy carrying this around. So that is everything that is in my purse. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my weekly uploads. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!